Today in Philolity'S Creations we are going to see how to make a clock with matchsticks with Roman numerals. For this, mark the center and the sides. Now, take a match, apply glue on it. Now, stick the Roman number 1. Now, we are pasting Roman numeral 3. So now I am done pasting the Roman numerals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now what is remaining? Yes, the hands of the clock. Now I am going to paste the hands of the clock. There are two hands of the clock, minute hand and hour hand. Since the hour hand is smaller than the minute hand, I am breaking the matchstick a little bit. Now I am pasting the hour hand. The Roman numeral clock is ready. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe.